Classical cryptography, in times of war. One-time pad. Quiz. The encryption process of the one-time pad is the same as for the Caesar cipher, the Citale or the Vigenère cipher? The one-time pad is highly secure if which of the following conditions are fulfilled. If the key length is at least the length of the message, the key is uniformly distributed and randomly chosen, if the key is kept secret, if the key is not reused. Is it true or false that the one-time pad is no longer used today because it can be broken too easily? If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.